How to fix Steam Captcha I am not robot not working. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you face that kind of problem, like the Steam Captcha I am not robot is not working while you trying to log into your Steam account from your app on your desktop, then you can try to open another web browser and search for Steam there, and then you can just go to the welcome to Steam, and then you can just click on login and try to log into your Steam via your web browser and look if that works with you. And if you were using a web browser and you were facing that kind of problem, you can do the vice versa. Like you can just use the your PC's Steam app to log in and see if you can log in to your Steam account or not. And if that both parts is not working with you, then you can just simply click on three dot of your web browser and click on settings, and you can just simply click on clear browsing data, and you just have to clear it now. And then you can try to sign in or log into your Steam account again, and you can possibly log into your Steam account and fulfilling your captcha that I'm not robot is now available. And if that also doesn't work with you, you can just try out this method. Let me show you that. You can now come to your desktop or Windows search bar and search for run from here, and after clicking on here, you just have to type in temp and click on OK and click on continue, and you just have to select all the files from here, and you just have to right click on it and make sure to delete it. And you don't need to delete the default files, so you just click on skip, and then you can just restart your PC and then try to open the Steam app and try to log in via the captcha, and possibly this method will work with you. So see you on the next video, guys.